Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and we have here access to other modes of this camera and to this button at the center. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. And here at the second place we have the geotag photos option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me turn it on all of these settings, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture, and to check its location we just have to simply slide a little bit down. As you can see here we have the map with more details. So greetings from Kraków, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.